This is the Wood's portable air conditioner AC Milan, a compact and very efficient portable air conditioner. The AC Milan comes in two different capacities. One for up to 21 square meters and the other up to 26 square meters. Both these two capacities comes with and without Wi-Fi and smart home solution. The AC Milan has a very easy to use touch display, and also included in the package is the remote control, the exhaust hose and a window kit. To start the machine, press the power button. Choose mode by pressing the mode button, and you can choose between 4 different modes. It's cooling mode, the humidification mode, fan mode and auto mode. You can also activate the timer by pressing the timer button. You can now choose your timer by pressing the plus and the minus button. Deactivate the timer by pressing the timer button again. To activate swing mode, press the swing button and the light will be lit. To deactivate the swing function, press the swing button again and the fan blade will stop moving. To activate sleep mode, press sleep mode button. To deactivate the sleep mode, press it again. And to activate the child lock, hold down the sleep mode button and the key lock light will be lit. To deactivate child lock, hold down the button again and the light will be switched off. In cooling mode, you can choose your set temperature by pressing the plus or minus button. Now the cooling mode only will be activated when the ambient temperature of the room is higher than your set value. In the humidification mode, the portable air conditioner will run as a dehumidifier continuously, so you can't make any adjustments. In fan mode, the compressor will shut off and only the fan will be activated. You can choose fan speed by pressing the speed button. Choose between low fan speed and high. Press the mode button again to activate auto mode. In auto mode, you will have a preset temperature of 26 degrees. Now the compressor will only start when the room temperature is higher than 26 degrees. When the room temperature is lower, it will only go in low fan speed and the compressor will be shut off. When the temperature of the room rises, the compressor will start automatically and the fan speed will go to high fan speed. You can also use the timer function when the unit is shut off. By pressing the timer button, you can choose in how many hours you want the unit to start. So, use the plus and minus button to choose in how many hours you want the unit to start. To cancel, press the timer button again. To activate sleep mode, press the sleep mode button and the icon for the sleep mode will light up. You can now choose your set temperature. I will choose 20 degrees. In sleep mode, it will go down to low fan speed until the ambient temperature of the room is 22 degrees. And then the portable air conditioner will start in full speed again. and get the temperature of the room down to 20 degrees. And then the compressor will shut off and go into low fan speed again. And start when the temperature reaches 22 degrees. To deactivate the sleep mode function, press the sleep mode button again, and the light will be turned off. You can find the Woods Connect app at Google Store or App Store. Now make sure the telephone is connected to Wi-Fi. Connect the power cord and hold the plus button until the Wi-Fi symbol on the machine flashes. Press Add Device to select the model you have. Fill in the information of the network in the app. Then press Confirm. Once found, click on Done. Now the Wi-Fi icon on the device should be lit with a steady light, and the unit is ready to use. Now your phone is connected to the machine, and now you can control the unit from anywhere, as long as you have internet connection. In the top of the screen, it will show you in small digits the ambient temperature of the unit, so the room temperature where the unit is. The bigger numbers are the desired temperature of the room. That can easily be set by pressing the plus and minus. Here you can also control the portable air conditioners in all the modes and timer functions as it has on the panel. You can also turn the unit off by pressing the turn off button. For more information about this product and to find your local reseller, but also to register for extended warranty, please visit woods.se.